Hi everyone, this is Paulo Haddad, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my new OpenDSS course, OpenDSS Fundamentals. Here's my website. I will leave the link in the description below. And this is a free course that's meant to give you the fundamentals of OpenDSS. So then you can learn more advanced stuff such as snapshot power flows, how to use Python to control OpenDSS, how to do time series simulations. But I think this course is really the one that I would start because here, check this out. Here in this link, you can go here. It's going to open and there's an explanation of the course. So this again is a free course you can take. I do a description here, but here's what we're going to cover. So introduction to OpenDSS, we're going to talk about why we simulate, right? What is the purpose of doing that? What is OpenDSS? What is OpenDSS used for? History of OpenDSS, why OpenDSS was made open source, the global phenomenon, right? Use it worldwide, and then the key capabilities. Then we go to the module 3, in which we're gonna get started with OpenDSS. We're gonna download and install OpenDSS, look at the different versions that we can, use the standalone versions that we can connect a program language, and so on. Then we're gonna look at the standalone version, pretty much the one that we have the interface. We're gonna play with it. I do think that as I'm covering those topics, I'm doing demonstrations. I'm open the tool. I'm showing you how things work, and I think this is really, really beneficial. Then we go to the module number 4, the architecture and the capabilities of OpenDSS. It's really a key module here because this gave us the understanding of how OpenDSS was designed, and it helps us when we are using the interface or when we are controlling through a program language, because that design is really important for us users as well. Then we go to fundamental modeling concepts, pretty much buses, nodes, very important in OpenDSS, terminal, PDs, PC. So this is gonna give us really a good understanding, and then that will help us to understand the results. Like when we see bus names, nodes, terminals, when we look at the visualize and things like that. So this is really important for us to have a better understanding of the results or any file that we generate from OpenDSS. Then we're going to talk about the scripting language, right? So again, OpenDSS is a script-driven program. So we're going to look at what is the way to create that command, verbs, parameters. We're going to explore those. We're also going to see special characters, so that can help us like add comments in our code, add matrices, arrays, and things like that. And then finally, I'll just talk about executive versus option commands. So again, everything through examples. Then we're going to go to organizing large models, and I'm going to talk about, I would say, a standard approach by leveraging the idea of master file and run file. And then finally, I show you guys what would be the next steps for you to keep learning OpenDSS, right? So I show you resources that it's out there, but also I show you some of my courses. So here I have essentials track, in which I believe you would follow this order. First, understand OpenDSS snapshot power flow simulations. I think this is key because this is the most important simulation mode in OpenDSS. And then when I get done with this, I would go to PyDSS interface, because then we're gonna learn how to use Python to control OpenDSS. And then I also have another one, is simulation modes track. For now, I just have the time series, but here we're gonna add more short circuit, dynamics, and harmonics, and others, right? So really, this is what I want to mention to you guys. This is the free course. You can look at the course here. So when you sign for that, this is pretty much what you're gonna see. There are those lessons you can watch, right? So there are 3.5 hours, and I believe there's almost 36 or 37 lessons. You also see here a price. You don't need to pay it. All the modules are open. You can watch all of them. Okay, don't worry about this. I hope you enjoy. If you have comments, leave below. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful. Thanks so much and enjoy.